Hello friends, we are going to see how Indian markets have performed last week. Today's date is February 6th, Saturday. Last week we have crossed January month expiry. January 28th was the last date for old contract, and we have crossed nearly 6 days since January 28th, and we are into new month. So how Indian market is going to perform this month, we're going to see, and we're going to see how last week Indian market have performed. Last week Sensex have closed at 50,731, nearly 10% up. Nifty 50 have closed at 14,924. They have shot up nearly 10%. Nifty Bank have closed at 35,654.50, and nearly 16% price increase from previous close. Nifty IT, they have closed at 25,331. The percentage of increase is plus 2.78%. Nifty Bank have shot up nearly 70%. Why? Because of budget announcement, which since 5 lakh crore capital has been is going to has been announced for a banking sector to build an institution in next 3 to 5 years. Nifty Bank has shot up nearly 17% in 5 days, so which is a very rare event, and it has been over a decade. Nifty 50 and Indian markets haven't been such given have never given such a volatility in over a decade. If you see on the right hand side, last week State Bank of India have shot up nearly 40%. So last week State Bank of India and banking stocks have performed really very well. And the top loser for the last 6 trading sessions is Asian Paints. Asian Paints have dropped nearly 1.27%. Now we are going to see which are the stocks which has performed very well, and which are the stocks which have lost its value for the last 5 days. I'm going to click top gainers here, and I'm going to click 1 week's gainer. See, Indian Bank have shot up nearly 44% last week, and the State Bank of India have shot up nearly 39% in 5 or 6 trading sessions. So State Bank of India is a market maker, and IIFL Finance, which has shot up nearly 35% last week. So IIFL Finance, it is also one market maker. And if you see top losers, I have taken top losers right now. Top losers, KRBL. People who have shorted the stock the most is KRBL for the last 5 or 6 days. The stock fell nearly 15.41%, and the next stock to see is EPL Limited, 12.2% drop in value, and Coromandel Inter, the stock has fallen nearly 10%. And if you see, if you wish to see any branded stocks right here, there is no branded stocks which has fallen that much. But in top gainers, all you can able to see all branded stocks, Nifty 50 stocks, where they have given a major rise. If you see Ashok Leyland, Ashok Leyland has shot up nearly 18% last week, so which is a huge move. And all branded stocks, every branded stocks have got a nice move last week because of the budget announcement. The next thing we are going to see is price and volume action. Which are the stocks where the price has been increased and volume increased? I'm going to click into it. Why? Because when price is increasing, volume should increase. So that which actually means that market in a bull run, the bull run will continue. So that is the main theme right here. If you see, I have the volume right here beneath the price, it is keep on increasing, and the price is moving like upside towards upside. So this is actually a good move where price could move further higher. So it keeps like trend continuation. Bajaj Electrical stock has got nearly 700% of volume increase, but the price increase is only just 20%. And State Bank of India, look at the volume change here. It's 123% of volume has changed, which is a buying volume, and nearly 10.70% of price, just 10.70% of price has been increased with a volume of only 100%. Okay, so our next one is NCC. NCC, look at the volume. The volume is pretty low, so we can eliminate the stock. And AFL India, look at the volume here, 7,777. So a percentage of volume increase and nearly 10% of price increase. So this, if you see, nearly 700% of volume has been increased with Bajaj Electricals, and nearly 20% of price increase. So huge volume increase and huge price increase. So this particular stock has got higher probability of moving higher in coming weeks or coming months. So the next stock is next stock is Karur Vysya Bank. So Karur Vysya Bank, look at the volume here, it's 400%, and look at the price change here, it is 10%, which actually means it is a good volume, amount of volume, and and particularly with this in relationship to the volume which has been accumulated, and the price movement is nearly accurately correct. So this particular stock has got higher probability of going up in the coming weeks or coming weeks or this month. So Bajaj Electricals and Karur Vysya. So you people have, my personal view is this particular stock has got higher volume and higher price increase. So this particular both the stocks could able to move further higher, and this is my personal view. And if you have the same sense over this particular stock, you have to apply a technical analysis for further towards it, and you can able to trade according to it. And I'm going to click what are the next stock nearly I'm going to click price decrease and volume increase. Likewise, if for a sell trend, if price decreases like this, and volume should increase, volume should increase like this. So which actually means the trend is going to continue towards a downtrend. So look at the volume how I'm drawing. I'm in the middle. I'm drawing a bigger volume when compared to the prices. So if you see any such scenarios like this, the price has got higher probability of going down, a trend continuation for the downtrend. So Fortis Healthcare, look at the volume here. It's just 24% and 2% of price decrease. So so volume is not very huge with Fortis Healthcare. And Gillette India, look at the volume here. It's 300%, and look at the price decreases. Price decreases. It's very low. So and Thermax, look at the volume here. It's 352% of volume increase towards the downtrend. And look at the price decreases. Price decreases is very less when compared to all that. So which are the So at the top, I don't see any volume increases and pricing volume increases and price decreases. As soon as I scroll down, I see Z Entertainment. Look at the volume here. Selling volume has risen nearly 230%, and look at the prices right here. Price have fallen nearly 14%. So this particular stock has got higher probability of going down for the next couple of weeks or coming February expiry. I'm so sorry, February expiry. So keep an eye on this. And so I do see only this particular company which has got higher downside volume. So Z Entertainment, taken this from a volume formula. So there is a higher probability that this particular stock could go down, and my view could go wrong also. So if you have the same sense towards the stock, and please do apply your technical analysis and your fundamental analysis for the stock to trade. The next thing we're going to see is FII and DA activities. So if you see last week, since February 2nd, FII is on buy side. Okay, so they keep on increase, nearly the volume of sales, it's dropping, and price is still on the buy side. So this view is telling me that Nifty 50 or banking stocks could go down for next week, because it is not keep on rising, it's falling. So this particular view tells me that since the sales of FII activity, FII sales is keep on dropping, the price increase has got nearly there is a upside risk. So particularly market could give a retracement in coming week or coming days. So keep an eye on towards it, because the price is not increasing that much, and the net sales volume of sales, it is nearly 6,000 on February 2nd, and it is dropped nearly 2,500 on February 3rd, and next is, it is dropping again on February 4th, and it is dropping. So this it is a threat for for the upside. So price could reverse at any time. So this is not a particular sense of, price could go higher. So keep an eye on it. So FII, their net purchase is dropping. So price could get a retracement in coming weeks or coming downsides. So with this view, can we able to short the market? No, we cannot able to short the market. We have to wait till it reaches towards sell trend. Sell trend in the sense the net purchase should be on a really negative, so that that could help us to short the market. The next thing we are going to see is NSE have revised circuit limits of stocks. So National Stock Exchange has revised the circuits limit for 291 stocks, which is going to affect from February 5, which is so today's date is we have crossed, today's date is February 7th. So from Monday onwards, the stock they have revised the circuit limit. So if you see right here, further there are 80 stocks which have been seen their circuit filter limits being revised from 10% to 20%, which actually means, for example, I'm gonna take State Bank of India. If State Bank of India has got a circuit limit of 5% per day movement, with this effect, State Bank of India could rise up to 10% or 20% limit. So which will be very helpful for intraday traders. And on the other side, you could also lose a lot of money because of this volatility issue. And why? Because if you didn't if you keep a tight stop loss, because market could go on either direction. So either way, market, for example, State Bank of India, in this case, State Bank of India could move 20% higher in a single day, either upside or towards a downside. And if you are right on the direction, you make a lot of money. If you are wrong on the direction, please put stop loss and trade. And for the next 6 or 7 months, market is going to be very volatile, and we never know when they're going to rise up, when the market is going to go up or market is going to go down. Because of this circuit limits, there will be no F&O bans for 290 stocks or 300 stocks. Nearly, we've been coming up every day. There is ban for nearly so many stocks for each and every day. So because of this announcement, there will be less ban, and for intraday trades for nearly in F&O, in futures and option segment, we can able to trade every stock because of this particular news. So intraday traders has got a higher opportunity of making money in coming days or coming week. So please don't be in a hurry, and or else analyze it particular perfectly and take trade, and don't forget to put stop loss while trading. So I guess this video is quite helpful. If you feel this video is really helpful, please subscribe to this channel. And if you're a part-time trader or a part-time investor, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.